Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add label on bottle using Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the bottle. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now import the label that you want to place it on bottle. So go to File, Place Embedded, select Label and place. And transform it and adjust it with the bottle size. After that, place it in the middle of both layers and select the pixels of label. Now select the bottle layer and press Ctrl Shift plus U to desaturate and create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to hard light. Now select the label layer and go to blending options. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK and press Ctrl D to deselect and see how we can easily add label on bottle. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.